Hello, everyone. Welcome to this simple and easy English learning podcast. If you are here, it means you want to improve your English. And trust me, you are in the right place. Today, we are not going to learn difficult grammar. We are not going to use hard words. We are going to learn English in the easiest way possible. Because English is not about perfection. English is about communication. Let me ask you something. Do you feel nervous when you speak English? Do you think, what if I make a mistake? Do you stay silent even when you know the answer? If yes, do not worry. You're not alone. Millions of people are learning English just like you. Now let's start with a simple step. Start thinking in English. Do not translate from your language. Think directly in English. For example, say, I am hungry, I am tired, I am happy, I need help. Keep it simple. Now the next step. Speak every day. Even if you are alone, speak to yourself. Look around and say, this is my room. I'm sitting on a chair. I am watching something. Speak slowly, but speak daily. Consistency is more important than perfection. Now let's learn some useful sentences. How are you? What are you doing? Can you help me? I do not understand. Please repeat. That sounds good. These are simple and powerful sentences. Repeat them again and again. Now listen carefully. If you want to sound natural, you must listen to English every day. Listen to simple podcasts. Listen to how people speak. Notice their tone. Start slow. Do not rush. Now, the most important thing, do not fear mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes, so speak with confidence. Now let's practice a small conversation. Hello, how are you? I'm doing great, thank you. What about you? I am good too. What are you doing today? I am learning English. Very simple. Practice this every day. Now remember this, you do not need to be perfect. You just need to start. Take small steps, learn a few sentences every day, speak them every day. Use English in your daily life. Say good morning. Say this is good. Say I am going out. Make English part of your life. Now say this with me. I can learn English. I will speak English. I am improving every day. I am confident. Say it again. Now tell me, why do you want to learn English? Write your answer in the comments. Practice every day. Stay consistent. And you will succeed. Keep learning. Keep growing. Keep speaking. See you in the next lesson.